Oh, that smells so good. I just added a 3-ounce box of strawberry jello in with 8 ounces of Cool Whip right here into my bowl. Now here I have 2 containers of strawberry Greek yogurt, you guys. I'm just gonna dump that all right in there, right on top of that strawberry jello and that Cool Whip. Oof, what a fun summer, easy, no-bake pie, you guys. We are gonna come in, we're gonna stir this all up. We are only working with a few ingredients here. Like I said, we have our strawberry jello, our Cool Whip, and that yogurt, which is just gonna make it even better. Just mix it up until everything in there is fully combined together. Oh my goodness, it smells like summer. We are looking real good over here, guys. You can see everything's mixing together, and let me tell you what, I'm for sure getting in my upper body workout for the day, no joke. All right, so here we got a regular standard pie crust. Let's just take that lid off there, and we're just gonna scoop in all of that. Look at that strawberry, oof. It's gonna be so tasty. I love strawberry. You guys, have you ever had strawberry pie? What's your favorite? We got like key lime, lemon, I don't know. I was thinking too about doing like an orange cream pie. I thought that would maybe be good. I love all those ideas, you guys. Tell me your ideas in the comments because I wanna know. I want to make like all of the no-bake pies for summer. Okay, so we're just smoothing this right there over the top. You can see this, it's gonna be creamy. It's gonna be fluffy. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so tasty. I might just even have to like drizzle some chocolate syrup over there on top in the end. Oh, who doesn't love chocolate covered strawberry? Who doesn't love chocolate? Let's be real, and strawberries. Okay, put them together, bam. All right, you guys, check it out. We are good for this part. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for a couple hours. It's gonna kind of solidify. Oof, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna top it off, and we are gonna dig in, stick around. It's gonna be tasty. Wow, look at that, you guys. We are moving right along here. Our pie has been sitting in the fridge and it looks like it is about to be all done and ready to devour. So I'm just gonna come in here and take some of these freshly sliced strawberries and I'm just gonna, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of decorating it, right? Do you have a certain thing or way that you decorate your pies? I feel like I'm kind of like trying to make like a little flower-ish shape here, but really what I want is to eat these super fresh strawberries, you guys, when summer's here. Oh, and the strawberries are just so fresh. Oh, what's your favorite summer fruit when they get nice and fresh? Let's put a little dollop of some Cool Whip right there in the center. Oh, look at how cute that looks. So we just decided to fill in the rest of our strawberries, right? Because why let them go to waste? I have one more here, look, that fit perfectly, and looks like this one, well, I'll just eat it. So good. Okay, look at how cute that is. I love that pie. No bake. We got a couple ingredients for you guys, super easy. Let's see. We need to come in, we're gonna give ourselves a big bite. I want a lot of strawberries in there. What do we got? We got the Cool Whip, we got the Jello, we have the 2 things of the Greek yogurt, and the pie crust, right? That's it. That's it. That's all we're working with. Now, of course, I topped it with some fresh strawberries and some Cool Whip, but all of that is optional. Ooh, look at that creaminess to that pie. Looks absolutely delicious. Now, like I said, I placed it in the fridge for a couple hours here because we are kind of on a time crunch. But of course, if you leave it in there longer, it's probably even better. All those flavors marinate, it sits a little bit longer, but that's pretty good consistency already here. Yeah. Just as I expected. A light, fluffy, strawberry, creamy pie. It's not heavy at all, you guys. This is perfect for summer. Easy to throw together for your next family picnic. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I know I sure do. Yeah, so good. All right, we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.